to our new video in our channel Learn the Cooking. I'm going to prepare bread sauce pasta with the chicken shawarma. I put some oil in this pan. I put the slices of onion. This is the slices of onion. I put this. I chopped slices of green pepper and cubes of chicken chest. This is a chicken chest. I prepared them. I leave the onion on a high flame and fry them. On another flame, I put a pan with water. In this pan, I put some oil. 2 liters of oil. 2 liters of oil and 2 liters of water. In this pan I put 2 liters of water. And the water now is boiling. I add the pasta. I leave the pasta in the water for 10 minutes until it's well done. Every 2 minutes I stir the pasta. Now let's prepare the shawarma chicken. Now I add the spices. Salt, black pepper, paprika, bay leaves, then I add the chicken cubes. This is the breast of the chicken. I cut into cubes like this. I make the fire low and leave it on a low flame for 10 minutes. I cover it and leave it for 10 minutes on a low flame. Now after 15 minutes I add the green pepper. Next, I add the pasta and the tomato sauce. In this tray I add some oil on the surface. I put a layer of tomato sauce with pasta, tomato sauce. Next I add a layer of chicken, mixture of chicken. Like this. Slices of olive pickles. Cheese, mozzarella cheese in the middle. A layer of pasta. A layer of mozzarella cheese on the surface. I put this tray in the oven for 20 minutes. Then I show you this tray at the end. This is the pasta with the chicken red sauce at the end. As you can see, this is the chicken bread sauce pasta with mozzarella cheese on the surface. So wonderful, so nice. You can cut it and eat it with some chops. It's so delicious, yummy. When it becomes warm, you can cut it into slices. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, activate the bell icon if you like this video. Write your opinion and your comment to me. Thank you. When it becomes warm, you can cut it into slices. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, activate the bell icon if you like this video. Write your opinion and your comment to me. Thank you.